to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for red velvet cookies. My daughter really loves red velvet cake, as you may have seen, and these are really delicious and kind of like red velvet cake in a cookie form. So let's get started.
Let's start out with our ingredients. We need 1 2/3 cup or 210 grams of flour, a 1/4 cup or 21 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a dash of salt, 1/2 cup or 125 grams of butter, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, red food coloring, which is optional, 1 cup or 180 grams of chopped white chocolate. Begin by creaming the butter. Then add the sugars, vanilla, baking soda, salt, and egg. Beat together. This is the best time to add the food coloring if you're using that. Try to get it as bright red as possible. Add the cocoa powder and flour. Fold in the white chocolate. I found it easier to combine with my hands. Spoon or roll onto a lined baking sheet about a tablespoon at a time. My 7-year-old helped me with this. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 11 to 13 minutes. These cookies are lovely. They are soft and chewy and taste of chocolate and vanilla. My girls absolutely love them. They're perfect for the fan of red velvet cake. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.